What you're looking at here is a 52-inch Halsey builder fan. I filmed this one before, but I'm deciding to give this fan a good remake on my new phone because I haven't done a remake of this on my new iPhone 15 Plus. So here we go. Light. Works very well. Low. This fan does hum. And the bearings are awful on this fan at times. Like, the bearing noise is on and off with this thing, and it's been running ever since when I use it, because this is my bedroom it's in. And the bearings do grind, unfortunately. You can tell low is nice, and it's pretty fast for a low, if you ask me. Turn the light back on again. Bump it up to medium. And the neat thing about this fan is 4 or 5 blade adaptable, like the one in our living room, my apartment, dorm. And the bearings do have a little bit of that grind. And it looks like I didn't change one of the bulbs, unfortunately, because it flickers. And the bearings do sound terrible. Turn off the light again. High speed. Other than that, it moves a pretty decent amount of air, despite the fact that the bearings sound awful. But I'm amazed that this fan does have kind of a long spin down time. And I use it on low most of the time in here. Yeah. Eat again. Other than that, I really love this fan, how it looks, but it's just, I don't like how the bearings sound. But there is 3 others in this apartment I gotta film again, so yeah. There you have it. Thank you for watching.